everybody, welcome back to SV Handmades. Today I have another unboxing video, and this is my collaboration with CRASPIRE. It's another crafting company which deals mainly with wax seal stamps and products related to the craft. So this is my this is a very big package here. Let's see what's in this. Okay, and here we have the packing slip. This is my first experience using this wax seal stamp, and really I'm excited to work with this. So this is actually a kit. So before we actually do the unboxing, let's have a quick look at the website. So we go to CRASPIRE.com. So this is a website. You have good variety of products. You can have a look. So there's a lot of stamp heads as a set with different combination. The handles, you have some fancy handles too, which you can purchase separately, and wide range of images for the stamp heads. You can even make custom stamp heads if you wish. I love the bead, wax bead colors they have, a lot of different options. You can just bring out your creative side. There's amazing options you can think of. They also have washi tapes and a lot of kits. Actually, I love all those kits they have at the website. Do check it out, and all your purchases you are going to get a discount. So you can use my discount code SV5, and you will have a product discount when you purchase for $40 and above. Okay, so let's get into our unboxing now. And it's going to be an interesting collaboration. So let me show you what are these actually, these products. It's actually pretty good packaging, so the product is not damaged or anything in the transit. Let's pull out all this stuff. There you go, our first box here. And this is our next box. Let me push the packaging stuff away. Okay, so this is the kit, I suppose. Let's open the kit first. Nice protection of a cardboard on the top. Very pretty looking box here. Okay, and do you see this sealing wax? The box itself looks very pretty. Let's open this up. Wow, so cool looking crafting stuff. Look at these. These are the actual wax beads. So I have 3 different colors here, and they're all pastel colors. So you have the yellow, the baby yellow, the kind of green, pastel green, and this is the pink. These look very pretty, isn't it? And we have this cute metal spoon here to melt our wax. This looks very pretty. And I have the actual seal here. This is the wax seal, and this wax seal here, this head has got thank you written over here. So I'm really going to love this one. So we will see how to use this stuff. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to make a project and give you ideas on how to use these wax seal stamps. So this is detachable here. This is the handle. So you can go to their website. They've got a lot of different stamps with different images on these. So you can buy these seal heads separate, and then you can screw them onto this. So they have a lot of different options and fancy handles too on the website. So I'm going to put all the links down in the description box. Do check out their website, and you will be really excited to work with them. So if you're a crafter watching this unboxing video, you can try out their collaboration if you're interested, and get in touch with them, and then you can do the same thing as I'm doing. And this is the candle. So the candle comes with the kit. This is an awesome gifting product too. This is very cute, and if you have any friends who is interested in craft, your relatives, if you want to gift someone, this is an amazing gifting kit. So it has everything you need. You have the candle, you have the wax, you have the melting spoon, and then you have the seal. So this makes an amazing gift for any crafter. So beautiful. I just love this. And then we also have a small furnace here, which you're going to see soon. Let me open this up. So well packaged here. Wow, this is so cute. This is a small furnace to melt our wax. So I'm going to show you how to use this one now. Very good quality. The quality is really amazing here. I was not sure when I selected it from the site, but this is really good. A nice hard metal, no flimsy stuff. Quality is really excellent. I really love this. So what you're going to do is just you have to put your candle below this. The candle goes below the furnace like this, and then you put your spoon here. You're going to fill this with your wax, how much ever you need, and then put it on top of this for it to melt. So this is how the stuff works. So I'm very excited to work with this. So stay tuned. Very soon you're going to see how to use these wax beads and make a seal to make amazing craft. Okay, that's all we have here for today with this unboxing video. So check out my description box to see more details about this company, CRASPIRE. Thank you so much for this collaboration, CRASPIRE.